Hi guys, in this video I'm going to check out my carpet flooring in this bedroom and put in vinyl plank flooring. Huge disclaimer, this video is not to show you how to install vinyl flooring. I already made a video for that, so click on the top right hand corner to check that video out. I also made one of how I tear out the carpet on the stairs and put in vinyl steps, and for that video, click on the top right hand corner. This video is really just for me to see what a huge difference it makes to tear out carpet flooring. I am keeping everything the same in this room. The black walls, the floating shelves, the fucking chair, the bed, all that shit is staying. I'm also not one of those people who put like 12 pillows on the bed to make it all perfect and shit and then put half of the pillows on the floor when you go to sleep. I use everything on the bed, so if it looks plain, that's just me. Sometimes I'm really basic. Also in this video, I am not only doing the master bedroom, I'm ripping out the carpet in the hallway as well because I'm just so tired of carpet flooring. We have two dogs. Even though they are short hair, they still shed, and also carpet collects dust and smells, so it's time to rip it off. It should have been done a long time ago. Okay, so I had to first move everything out of the bedroom. This is why I say do your flooring all at once and do it before you move in. It's going to save you so much money and time, and your flooring will look cohesive. Don't do it in parts like me. I should have done everything before moving in. So I try to save a piece of carpet to make it into a large area rug, and I made a video for that, so click on the top right hand to check that out. Anyways, removing the carpet was super easy. Literally lift and rip. Then do the same for the padding. Then go around the perimeter and remove all the tack strips. Then going over the whole entire subfloor to make sure everything is flat. Remove any staples and nails that start sticking up. You want the subfloor to be completely flat, and so here you see me vacuuming over and over and over again. Even though I calculated and bought extra materials, I decided to start in the master bedroom because it's the most important out of the three areas. I started in the left corner. Before installing the planks, I actually laid them all out so I can have an overview of what it will look like. And also because I don't want any repeating patterns, I want them all to look random. I know my drywalls are not straight, so to start my first row, I used leftover planks as a straight edge as a guide. According to the instructions, the bigger groove should be facing down. So once I have my first two rows installed, I actually put down brat nails around the perimeter to keep them from moving. For this type of flooring, the groove locking mechanism is a little bit hard to work with. I had to bust out my pull bar to knock everything in place, and I had to be really careful not to damage the grooves when using the pull bar. And I had my saw downstairs in the garage, so literally I ran up and down the stairs each time I needed to cut a plank. And then people would ask me why I'm so fucking skinny. Well, here's your answer. Because I fucking do projects like this. I'm like a fucking madman. Look at me. Look at this shit. I ran up the stairs like I don't even know how many fucking times. So row by row, I laid down each plank. I had to think about starting this project for a while because I have three areas that I need to plan for and how I'm going to mesh the existing flooring to the new flooring, even though I am using the same vinyl planks, but because the planks are not all facing the same direction, so I really have to plan for this shit. Once I finish laying down the planks for the master, I use quarter rounds to hide the imperfection and to help keep the planks down. Once the bedroom is done, I started in the hallway. As you can see, I started at this part of the hallway to work my way towards the bedrooms. Now the hallway connects to the loft, and the loft already has vinyl plank installed from 3 years ago, so my challenge is to mesh the two flooring without using a huge transition strip. So I found this awesome T-metal transition strip from Home Depot to help close all the gaps between the existing floor and the new ones. It actually makes the flooring look pretty modern with its stainless steel color. Row by row, I laid down my planks, and I forgot to mention I had to undercut the bottom of all the door frames to fit the planks underneath. I set out a goal to get this project done before Christmas, and I did it. I feel like the home is more complete now and more open. It's definitely a cleaner and more uniform look with the same flooring throughout. It is for sure easier to clean now with less dust and less dog hair caused by the carpet flooring. Back to the bedroom, so I got this rug to tie in the whole area and also to bring warmth and coziness back into the room. Besides redoing the floor, I kept everything in this room pretty much the same. I made the accent walls back when we first moved in. I wanted a dark room, but also not too dark. I wanted the walls to have a high contrast, so half of the room is black and the other half I left white. There's also a hidden LED accent light that I put around this wall, and I made a video for that, so click on the top right hand corner to check it out. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. For this wall, I wanted some sort of element that reminds me of New York because I love New York. So I found these faux brick panels from Home Depot and I put them up and painted the wall black. It reminds me of like a loft feel, almost like a studio in New York. I also love the ocean, so I wanted nautical things on this wall. I painted this abstract wave painting using a couple simple brush strokes and hung a couple frames around to complete the wall. This little nook area was still missing something, so I put a giant planter in the corner, hung a floating shelf, and finished it with an accent chair. Every painting that you see in my videos are done by me. I think it's so cool when people walk through the home and ask where I get these paintings from. And I also made a video for that, so click on the top right hand corner to check it out. I also reupholstered the headboard. I wanted to cover it in leather where it's more durable, so I went to Joann Fabrics, found this awesome leather that matches with all my tan accents for like $20. Literally laid that shit down and just staple away. I did it in like 15 minutes. Just make sure you staple onto the wood, fold the corners neatly, and that's it. I don't know if it shows good on camera, but in person, the vinyl flooring really made a huge difference in this room. It brightens it up, it makes it look more spacious, more modern, and it really pulls everything together. My one tip for those who are thinking of redoing their flooring is to do everything at the same time. It's going to save you money and time in the long run. Trust me, don't do it in parts like me. Again, if you're looking for an in-depth video of how to install vinyl planks, click on the top right hand corner to check out my office flooring video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I put all the materials that I use for this project in the description. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and until the next time.